When it comes to vinyl siding, there are a lot of different sizes, textures, styles. You can get vinyl board and batten, which is the up and down siding. You can get lap, which goes side to side. You can also get shake siding that looks really, really cool. And then there's some out there called shapes, where it's like an octagon or the half moon. A lot of different choices out there. Some of the big differences in vinyl siding, whether you're looking at Norandex, Certainteed, something like that, is the different thicknesses. A lot of people on, say, investment properties, they're going to go with a thinner vinyl siding. And then, on your home, you might use a thicker, like a 0.046 siding. Goes all the way up. Lots of different colors available as well. Pretty much endless things you could do to your home with vinyl siding. You can also get insulated vinyl siding where it has styrofoam on the back of it. Gives you a little higher R value, a little more insulation when it comes to your siding. A few tips to installing vinyl siding is make sure you're installing your J channel correctly. If you're doing this yourself, you want to make sure it's cut correctly to flash the water away. Proper overlapping, kick out flashings where gutters meet the wall of siding to properly direct that water away from your siding. And then the best tool you could possibly have when doing siding, vinyl siding, is a zip tool. Makes it 10 times easier to do the work.